Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your account not private on TikTok in 2022. It's very simple and easy. When you open your TikTok app, then go to your profile, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. As you can see here says private account. To change your private account to public on TikTok, we should open main menu. Tap on three lines at the top right corner. In very bottom we will see open up settings and privacy. Just tap on this, go to privacy. Here you will see private account and this option is enabled. Swipe the slider to the left side and from pop-up menu tap on confirm, and now your TikTok account is not private. If you go back, and here you will see private account is now not available on TikTok. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.